CBI has issued summons to former Railway Minister Pawan Kumar Bansal for his role in Railgate. Now, sources also telling Times now that Bansal is likely to be questioned today. Poonam Agarwal is with us on the phone line. Poonam, take us through what is perhaps going to be the CBI's line of questioning. The CBI so far maintained that an appointment at the Railway Board could not have been done without the concurrence of Bansal, and perhaps he was aware that bribes were being taken in his name at least.
Well, the main line of questioning would be about his relationship with V. Singla, that is his nephew, because what CBI is saying that it is very essential for them to find out in what capacity that V. Singla used to be present at his residence, that is Pawan Kumar Bansal's residence, throughout the day. Whenever V. Singla used to be in Delhi, he used to be at Bansal's residence. So the telephone tower clearly showed his locations, and that is the reason why they want to know in what capacity he used to be there, whether any kind of official assignment was given to V. Singla or he used to be present there in the capacity of a nephew. So this is one thing that they want a clarity on. Secondly, they also want to know is whether Pawan Kumar Bansal was aware of the bribe money which was taken by his nephew for the deal which was struck between Mahesh Kumar and Vijay Singla, because that is the most important thing for the CBI to find the end beneficiary of the bribe money. Till now, they do not know to whom that money was to go. So, Vijay Singla has also not told CBI about for whom did he take that money. And the third thing that they want to know that any transfer that took place in the railway ministry, it didn't happen without the approval of the minister. So minister's signature on the papers was required. So as far as this particular transfer was concerned, since Mahesh Kumar was aspiring for the post of member electrical and railway board, whether Pawan Kumar Bansal was aware of this particular aspect as well or not. So these are the main line of questioning that will happen. Certainly what CBI had been maintaining that they do not have any direct evidence to show that Pawan Kumar Bansal was aware of the bribe money, nor do they have any telephone conversation which was made between Vijay Singla and Pawan Kumar Bansal to indicate that the bribe money was taken for Bansal. So these are the facts which CBI has clarified to media, but certainly questioning Pawan Kumar Bansal is essential for two reasons. One, his nephew took the bribe money, and secondly, he was the railway minister when this incident happened. And since CBI has arrested so many people in the case, a month has already passed, so they are also in hurry to file the charge sheet, and the charge sheet cannot happen without Pawan Kumar Bansal's statement.